I wanted to share a new journal that I just finished. It is 8.5 by 6, and it's got like a 2-inch gator mouth. It is just one signature, and I've used Artymaze's Gothic Glam. Oh, I can never say that 3 times. Digitals. They're printed out on heavy cardstock, and I've got 2 layers of heavy cardstock, one on the inside, one on the outside, and I've got Tyvek. I've got fabric on the inside and the outside. The closure is a sari silk. So hopefully I keep everything in frame. I just love her. Okay. So, oh, I didn't say, it's got 76 pages, not counting the doilies. I did stitch around, and I did put a couple of layers of sealer on top. So, this is Artymaze's beautiful, beautiful images. So I've added paint and gesso and inks and coffee staining and laces and flowers. And I added Edgar Allan Poe poems. On this tag I've got, I embossed with some modeling paste, backed with coffee dyed paper. And I also have sprayed with Lindy's, so it's got that nice little mica shine. I don't know if you want me to read out all the poems this time. So another one of her beautiful pages. I did leave a lot of writing space in this one. It was very hard for me to do, but I did it. I shrunk down some of her images just to make cute little journaling spots. These are little brad keys. Another journaling card. Here's one of my embossed pockets. See, lots of journaling space. I didn't lie. I try to keep my stamping to the outside so I wouldn't interfere with what you wanted to write. Here's a little. This is neck and decoupaged. I love that image too. It's just a little postcard. Writing page. There's another one of her little journal spots. Here's a little tag I made. It's got the little dangle. I did embossed powder on the vellum, and then I did embossed with the embossing folder for that tag. This page is by Jensen Art. It just seemed to match with the colors. I love her work too. This is stamps on a deli sheet. Here's a little tuck spot. There's a little tuck spot. And another little tuck spot. I love this girl. I remained too much inside my head and ended up losing my mind. There's thought she matched so good with the dyed lace there. And these are handmade. I crocheted the little flowers. Another little tuck spot, a little writing spot. Yep, this one is just a card. I'm trying to see which way the snake goes. It goes both ways. Sorry. Here's the center. Look how pretty that is. It just shows beautiful images to make this. These again are reduced. Part of her digital set. Paper clip I made. And this is the vellum pocket that I did embossing on. There's a paper clip I made. Just a drawing card. I really loved playing with the reds and the blacks and adding a little bling. Am I in focus? Oh, hope so. Oops. Another little journal. Another little tuck spot, the little raven or a crow. I like to think it's a raven because that goes with Edgar Allan, right? Little note, little tuck spot with some bling, and hand sewed the beads on. Those are fun to make, and the button too. Another little tag I made. Got some tulle there. I do not want to wrinkle it, so I will save it there. Oopsie. A little bitty tuck spot. Oh, I forgot I did this. It opens up to a little journaling spot. So once you undo the bow there, I thought it was cute because I like little things. There's that image again. That's not too scary. The other images are scary. And this is a little flip out to journal on, and you have a tuck spot there. I've got a big tag back here. And that's it. That's the back, little raven. And that is the front. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it inspires you to create something. And definitely check out Artymaze's digitals. They're beautiful. All right, thank you. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.